Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome again to my channel 𝐑𝐞𝐜𝐸. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can download and install Realism Beyond 2.0 for your Grand Theft Auto 5 game. With Realism 2.0 you will bring your gaming experience to the next level, because this graphic modification is stunning. So I'm going to walk you through on how to install this with a step-by-step tutorial. Before we do all that, I would love for you to smash that like button, hit that subscribe button so you can start following my channel. So let's get started. So to make this all work, we're going to go ahead and download a few files. In the description I will leave a link to my Discord. You will see all the links within my Discord, but you'll also see the links on the screen, so you can just type them over. So let's hop over to my Discord. So we're currently on my Discord server at this category called graphics, and these are the links that we are going to be visiting today. To make sure you can visit these links and see them, you first need to go to sub verification right here. You need to send a picture or else you won't see the channels. Okay, we also have a giveaway, and we have a support page where you can open any support posts, and we have a GTA installation service. So if you want anything installed, you can DM me right here. Let's hop back over to this and let's visit the links so we can start installing. So just click on the links and it will redirect you to them. So for the graphics itself, you would need to get a subscription here, and besides that we're gonna go ahead and download everything. And here you need to get the subscription. After you got that, you can go ahead and download it. Then we're going to click on here and click on here. Okay, let's go ahead and open up our Grand Theft Auto main directory folder and the files we downloaded. So on the left side we have our Grand Theft Auto main directory folders, and on the right side the downloaded files. As you can see, I have multiple Grand Theft Auto games. Because I like to separate them, make copies, also have a clean version. I highly recommend you also doing that. On the right side we have our files that we downloaded. Let's start by this file right here. Double click on it, hit continue, hit accept, and you can choose the installation location and let it install. And then we're going to open up it for the first time, right click on it and hit run as administrator, hit yes, let it load up, click on here, and then click here, set permissions, hit OK, close. Oh, I did that twice. Go to tools, click here, then we're going to install this and this, hit yes, and hit here for install, close it up, close this also up, open up the folder. We're gonna go to the next one, that's this one right here. Gonna go within this folder, we're gonna select the files that I select, and we're gonna drag and drop them in our folder here. We're gonna replace it, and then we're gonna go to the graphics itself, right click on it and extract it, let it extract. So you can use the extractor that I'm using or any other ones, doesn't really matter. You can also just double click on it and open it and install it in that way. So if I double click on it, it will open up like this, and then here, and then another folder. We're going to go to installing. We're going to double click right here, let it install, extract. It's going to extract. So you're gonna have to transfer it manually then, so we're not gonna do that. We're gonna go to the folder we extracted, and we're gonna go here, installing, double click on this. So if this is not working for you, you can just open up the software and just drag and drop it in here. So I'm gonna show you how to do that also. You can just click install here, but if you don't have that possibility, just open it up here, hit Windows, hit edit mode, yes, drag and drop it, and then you'll get the same menu. Install it in the mods folder, let it load up. Hit close, close again. Then we can go to optionals and we can go here. I want this one right here, but this you can do whatever you wish. So and then after that here, click install, install, let it load up. And I want extra LED. I'm gonna install this also. So you can also see the screenshots right here, how it's gonna turn out. So that's pretty awesome. I'm gonna go back. And we need to come back for this. So let's go back and let's start with this one right here. Double click on it, hit browse, search for your game, and select open, next, make sure it's selected right here, next again, uncheck and check, next, and it's gonna start installing. There you go. And hit finish. Then we're gonna go here and we're gonna go here. We're gonna select all these and we're gonna drag and drop them in this folder. Then we're gonna go back. We're gonna go back. We're gonna go back right here, here, optional, then start with this one. We're gonna select these two files. We're gonna drag and drop them right here, replace them. We're gonna go back, we're gonna click on here. If you want to read it, it's also right here, and paste it in the folder itself. So that's what I'm gonna do. There you go. So we can go ahead and start up the game. This is how easy it is, folks. So we're gonna go ahead and start up the game. Don't forget to smash that like button and leave a comment while you're busy at it anyways. So it's starting up, as you can see. If you don't see these two, the EMB and the reshade, let me show you how you can fix this quickly. Get out of the game if you don't get that. Go to your main folder, right click right here, hit properties, go to this section right here and hit this and select Windows 7, hit apply, and you'll do the same for this one, I think. Let me check. Yeah, for these two. So you'll hit run in Windows 7, apply. So that's going to be this one and this one. Okay. So as you can see, we're getting this notification right here. So that's not good. And I'm going to show you how to fix this. We're going to go ahead and shut down the game. So I made a different two links to not have any confusion. We're going to go ahead and download these two files. Just download them. And this one also. It's that easy. Let's go over to our Grand Theft Auto folder. Let's open up the folder. Select it and drag it in here. Then we're going to open up this file right here. We're going to change this to 2000. Close it up, save it. And let's go to the second one. And we're going to select these two. And drag it in here. Open up this one. and this one you can set to 40,000. There you go, closed up. And now you can launch up the game again, and this time you won't have that error. So we fixed the part where this won't get shown and the game memory error. And now it will load up everything perfectly. So I am using a 3090. However, it is most commonly that you will get a FPS drop with all these modifications like ENB and reshade. If anyone has a tip for me how I can increase it, because without it I have like 90 FPS and with it drops like 30, which is a lot. So how can we make this work perfectly fine? Is there a possibility? I don't think so, because it's just too much, of course. As you can see in the left down corner, it is working. It's loading up in the Realism interface. So yeah, let's let the game load up fully. Okay, game is loaded up fully. As you can see, it is working, and in the upper left corner it's telling us to hit the home button. So let's do that. Hit continue. Here you can, I'm actually not so familiar with all these, so I just hit continue. I'm gonna be honest with you, I don't want to say something I don't know. Let's just see. So it's using this one, that's the file we selected, I think. Let's let it reload. So it's having all the effects, and we can hit home again, and shift enter is for the ENB. So again, I am not specialized in that, but it is working. Let's turn off the ring. And this is what you will get. This is how it will look like. So that's pretty awesome. Just look how beautiful this all is. Damn, that is nice. So that's about it for this tutorial. As you can see, it is awesome. There's nothing left to say. Okay folks, it's been a pretty long tutorial, so let me know what you think about it. Let me know if it works for you. Let me know if you need any help. Please smash that like button and hit that subscribe button. Thank you all for watching, and have a good day. Goodbye.